After the rough year that 2020 has been, we are all looking forward to the most wonderful time of the year when people across the world come together to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ on December 25th. Each year, families get together, some visit their friends, and indulge in memorable parties to celebrate the festive season. Christmas is a time of joy and warmth, surrounded with the love of family members and the camaraderie of friends. Over the years, it has become much more than just a celebration of Jesus Christ's birth. Now it is seen to embody the spirit of giving and affection that one carries along with them for the rest of the year and is also celebrated by people across faiths. Even with the ongoing pandemic and the new strain of threatening another lockdown, the festival of Christmas brings joy and hopefulness along with it. The celebrations might have to be kept at a minimum, and large gatherings may seem next to impossible, but this difficult can scarcely dampen the spirit of festive season. Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant greets people of Goa on the occasion of Christmas.
नमस्कार. नाताळ हो सण मोग आणि शांतिकाय दिवपाचो. येशू ख्रिस्ताच्या वाढदिवसाच्या निमित्तान आम्ही नाताळ हो उत्सव मनयता. गोंयांतले फक्त क्रिस्तांव भाव न्ही, तर गोंयांतले सगळे धर्मातले लोक या नाताळाच्या सणात वांटेकारी जातात. गोंयांतल्या माझ्या सगळ्या क्रिस्तांव भाव भयणी हांव नाताळाच्यो खूप खूप शुभेच्छा दिता. नाताळ सणाच्या निमित्तान आम्ही गरिबांक मदत करपाची, गरिबांक या उत्सवात वांटेकारी करपाचे हे सदोदीत आम्ही पळयता. कोविड-19च्या महामारी खातीर खंय तरी आम्ही वर्सभरातले सगळे उत्सव हे कमी प्रमाणात मनयता, पण तरी आसतना जे आम्ही हो उत्सव व्हडा उमेदीत मनयतले, बट कोविड-19 खातीर असलेले सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग, मास्क वापरप, सॅनिटायझर वापरप हाचो विसर आमकां सगळ्यांक खंयसरूच पडचो ना हाची जापसालदारकी आमी सगळे जाण घेतले. हांव परत एकदा तुमकां सगळ्यांक नाताळाच्यो खूप खूप शुभेच्छा दिता. मेरी क्रिसमस, हॅपी न्यू इयर.
We, the Goa First News and Entertainment team, wishes all a very Merry Christmas. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.